SEALIGHT 9005 HB3 9006 HB4 LED bulbs combo package CSP chips 1400LM 6000K cool white 1400LM safe visibility. SEALIGHT 9005 9006 LED bulbs is 5 times brighter than halogen bulbs. 14,000 per pair, breaking through the night to help you spot hazards earlier. Refraction focusing design. Reflective surface increases the lighting range. The cut-off line is as clear as halogen bulbs. Two vehicles meet each other safely, no worry about dazzle the oncoming driver. Better pattern. Maintain safety of the driving is the top priority. SEALIGHT 9005 HB3 and 9006 HB4 LED bulb do not blind oncoming traffic, no glaring thanks to an optimized light distribution. External driver chip. External driver separates the power supply and the bulb body, which helps dissipate the heat of the LED light beads, reduces light decay, and extends service life up to 5 years. Note: the external drive is not a decoder. 10-minute installation. The LED bulb's heat sink is only 0.72 inches, you don't need tools and break anything. True plug and play. Warm dip. We are upgrading our packaging and you may receive one of 2 boxes randomly.
Please subscribe now our channel for every new